I am Rachelle Robinett. I'm going to make nettle tea 2 ways. When we dry nettle and put it in a tea or steam it and are able to eat it, it's great for allergy season. The first is just like a normal tea. You can put it in a tea bag or a tea ball, any kind of strainer, even a French press works. That is a super simple nettle tea. Another way to make nettle tea is a nourishing infusion. You'll want one big container, like a mason jar or a pitcher. If you have tea bags of nettle, you can just cut it out of the bags. Fill the jar up with hot water, so just under boiling temp water. You'll want to let it steep for a minimum of 4 hours. You can strain it, and then you'll have a nice, strong, nourishing antihistamine tea that you can drink all day long and throughout the week.